First of all, this week we will be finishing experiment 7, doing parts 2 and 3 that we're going to do in lab. You'll have a quiz number 7. Fair game is all of experiment 7 for that quiz, because now we've covered all the parts. And your experiment 3 rewrite of your conclusion is due, so pay attention to your instructor's instructions for how you're handing that in. Next week is experiment 8. There is a lot of information in experiment 8 and a lot of steps to experiment 8. Make sure you read it very carefully before you even come to lab lecture next week, because there's a lot of pieces to go over. So make sure you read that experiment a few times very carefully, especially once before you come to lab lecture at least. I'm going to talk about glassware here in a minute, but you're going to have some glassware that you need to get ready this week for next week, because we have to dry it in the oven next week. You're going to have a specific reaction that you're going to be doing, and you're going to get that form from your lab prof this week. And then next week, your experiment 6 report sheets and conclusion are also due. And then in 2 weeks, your experiment 7 report is due. So keep those due dates in mind. I announced this last week, but again, anyone attending Global Health Missions Conference and you're in a Thursday lab, you need to see me ASAP, meaning today, if that is the case. Okay. All right, let me go, before I start talking about experiment 7 again, let's talk about experiment 8, glass.